I-issue yamapholisa abopha abantu estradeni aqede bavalela ayebebophela abantu abanama-document. It is an insult in face of Africa. You can't arrest somebody and then after this you say we know ukuthi unama-document but we are not sure ukuthi ayasebenza, and then they threaten you ukuthi no sizogcina lapho uvalelwe iHome Affairs is once a month. Those are blue lies. Ngamanga. Police are supposed to know ukuthi ama-document anjani. You can't go out to uyabophela abantu ama-passport while you do not know ukuthi passport imi kanjani. Then if you go out you know ukuthi passport imi kanjani, ma umbona ukuthi umuntu unama-document ungayenzi lento yokuthi sumthreatena wenze ukuthi akhuphe something and then akusiwo wonke amapholisa ayenzayo lokho. Njalo kule team yabihamba namapholisa abanye ba-forced kuyenza lento because babe sebesaba labana abadala bangena athi hayi laba kusho ukuthi bazosibulala bazoyenza lokho. You understand? And then enye issue kulabo abasetown MTN Renki, most of them babe besenza ubugebengu kuphela. Kuya ama-volunteer ama-patrollers asetown abesenza ubugebengu. Abanye they are making impersonality police, bazenza ama-police. They are not even registered. So if a town bekumisa bethi can we see your document? Now first with a good heart, polite, don't be harsh. Ngicela ubone identity yakho yobupolice. Because most of abanye abagqoka iskipa zakudala bebhode town, those are not even under John Foster. Ngabantu asebenza impersonating police because we always fear ukuthi singama-foreigner lo muntu masefuna i-passport mina ngingenayo, let him give me 500. No.
And then why isikhathi esiningi usibona batargeta ama-Zimbabweans? Is it because ama-Zimbabweans are fast ukukhipha imali ayethukile ala maphepha kwenziwa kuyini?
Ama-Zimbabweans were too weak. We siyapanika for nothing. Etown umuntu athi ngifaka evenini abe sebhoda nawe engakufaka ngevenini ekufaka ama-handcuffs, ungabona iveni yamapholisa amemeza. Kuyabe kuyibugebengu. Because laba abantu abenza i-personing police etown MTN Renki Bree, they are not under government. Ngabantu abazenza amapolisa. So in a polite way ngicela ukubona iveni omfaka kiyo. Umthetho awuvuma ukuthi ipolice lifake umuntu ama-handcuffs libe lihambe naye more than 10 step. Ungabona umuntu ebhoda nayo i-MTN yonke ethi nisaka kufaka evenini or kugumaguma. This person ohlukwazi ukuthi it's a criminal, isigebengu lo muntu.
And then laba ke ababotshwa like behanyiswa kubo Hilbrand number 4 belama documents kuthiwe silindiwe iHome Affairs bagcine sebekhishisa inkalatha zezimali. Uthini ebantwini uthi benzeni kulaba ababotshwe?
Hayi party document yakho ungayikhuphi imali. Mabe kuse court uza i-court izokhupha ube yabo namaphepha unless if usu-overstayile. Amalanga akho ese-overstayile then it's where there is a danger. But especially abantu enye into omele siyenze ungathi usubotshwe ipolice ubususithi hey wena ngujwayela uzabona. You understand? Ukuthreaten police is a crime. Go be arrested. We need to respect our police because they are policing over us, not over only Zimbabwe, over South Africa. So our police kumele siwanikeze yonke irespect. Uthi police alihleke nawe la kwenza umngane laba open akuthi ukuthi sumele uthreaten. And then even in the issue of public drinking. I-public drinking iyabotshelwa, it's a crime. Lokho singakudeny bantu bakithi. Singakudeny if ipolice alikubophela i-public drinking already you have a criminal record. Understand? So we need to be polite with them so that they can be polite with us because amapolice akutarget ukuthi okay lo muntu ngathi ngimbophela i-public drinking walwa nami wenza kanje wanithuka ngagcina ngingasambophanga. One day you will pay for it. Ipolice liyakhona uhamba la lithule liyovula idocket. What if lingavula i-docket le-assault? Will you deny it? Because we have a camera all over. So abantu bakithi we need to be polite and then we need to be vigilant. We need to be wise. We still need to seek wisdom.
Ago.